Hi all, Edo here, aka Fatboy Solo. Firstly, I would just like to say Happy New Year, 2026. So I am working on a video now just to introduce myself, who I am, what I've been up to, and what's coming for this year. So let's start with hello. My YouTube channel started a couple of years ago. It started off just being a channel for my motorbike. I got a fabulous Harley Davidson Fatboy, hence the Fatboy Solo channel name, because I'm a Fatboy riding a Harley Fatboy and I travel solo. I also like Star Wars, so Han Solo. Yeah, anyway. So I started that a couple of years ago and did a good few spins, and yeah, great old crack. But it's progressed to, apart from the motorbike, I have now got a camper van, an e-bike, and very soon I'm going to update my drone. So, firstly, excuse the humming in the background, it's my dinner in the air fryer. Lovely. So I'm going to update the drone from one that didn't have a follow me setting on it to one that does have a follow me setting on it. So I'd be able to drive up the likes of the Healy's Pass, and the drone will follow me up and follow me down. I was very, very lucky to do the Beara Peninsula this year, and the sun was splitting the rocks. The tarmac was actually melting. So I had a fabulous day in the drive there, so I'm going to go back there. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this particular clip is to introduce myself, Happy New Year, obviously, as I said already, and say where this channel is coming from, where it's going to, and my plans for the future. So I'm going to get this out of the way. I had the unfortunate circumstances of losing my wife back in 2023, 2nd of October. And this gave me the goo to go out and travel. I've done a lot of Ireland so far, and I plan on doing an awful lot more. If you've seen my channel before, you know I've got two destroyed knees, so both of them need replacing. One is to hopefully get done this year. So instead of doing a big holiday like Sturgis or Canada, which I've done before and they were great, I'm going to stay local, do a shitload of Ireland. I'm going to absolutely blitz Ireland this year. Between the Wild Atlantic Way, the Midlands, North, South, East, West, wherever it may be, I'm going to head off camping, sleeping in the van, I don't care. So greenway cycles, motorbike travels, it's going to be drone coverage, it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot this year now, in fairness. And that keeps my head sane. I do it, one, because I love Ireland, fabulous place, but two, keeps my head in place. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do this waffle. Normally I'd play the clip and just waffle in the background instead of sticking my face on it, my mug. But I said this time round, oh, excuse me, there's my dog, my little, well, not little anymore. She's giving me the hint, I want food. So when I have my food cooked in the air fryer, she'll get hers then. Because if I have my food sitting here, she's going to look at me with these big sad puppy eyes and go, where's my food? Anyway, sorry, I got sidetracked there. So yes, the reason for this is 2026. I'm going to blitz Ireland. I'm going to blitz the Wild Atlantic Way, the Midlands. I don't do Wexford and Waterford beforehand, but I will this time around. The Copper Coast Road, Dungarvan, etc., etc., etc. So that'll be all good crack. My brother, he's going to join me for camping trips, so that'll be good crack as well. But any chance I can get away for a weekend, I'm gone. I'm going to do pub crawls. I'm going to find pubs in the middle of feckin' nowhere. Ones with big open fires, an old gack in the corner playing spoons, a little Robin Redbreast sitting in his pocket. Places like that, be all kind of cool. And really show our country off. I think some of the channels I have is called My Ireland, and the reason for that is I'm Irish, and I want to show this country off. It is a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous place. So I'm going to shut up now. I am going to do what I normally do and say roll it there, Sharon, because the music plays just after my waffle. You'll also see there is clips of my Sharon in any of the videos I do. I try and get them in, you know, if I miss one, that's my fault. but at the beginning, end or middle, mainly the end, I'll always get a photograph of Sharon in that. So that's the reason for that, in case you haven't seen it before. That's what I do. So on that note, as I said earlier, Go Raibh Maith Agait. Roll it there, Sharon. Just before the music kicks in, I know you've already heard me talking for the last few minutes, and I'm sure you want to not hear me again, but it'll save me typing. All the photographs you're going to see here in the background with the music as well. There's a whole mixture of stuff. There's a whole heap of different counties. There's Clare, Mayo, Kerry, Cork, Galway, Waterford, Offaly. There's a whole heap of places. As said earlier on, the plan is to travel and blitz Ireland this year. So I'm going to each county, all 32 counties, see what's interesting in those 32 counties, and blog like hell. So the photographs you're going to see here, as said, there's a bit of video footage of a couple of spots and photographs. So as I said, it'll save me typing. So on that note, roll it there, Sharon.